Hello, and welcome to this Cropster Origin tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss the Batch Overview table. To reach the Batch Overview table, navigate to the Origin menu at the top of the screen and select Batches. This is the Batch Overview table. It shows you all of the batches you have registered just thus far, and also allows you to add new batches by clicking on the Add menu. There are many things you can do to customize the look and feel of this table, and also several actions you can perform from this screen. They are Inline Editing, the Customize menu, and Export to Excel, along with Batch Grouping, which we'll talk about in another video. Let's start with the Customize menu. Over on the right side of the screen, you can see the Customize button. This allows you to selectively show or hide different columns that have to do with your batches. For example, if we'd like to see which varieties each batch includes, we click the Varieties checkbox here, and now we can see all of the varieties listed for each batch. In this case, it's mainly pink Baron. Other fields that we can view include Project and Community. Another change we can make to this table is the number of records we wish to show. We can go anywhere from 10 up to 200 records. In this case, it's telling me that there are 20 records in total, so let's go ahead and show 25. We can also choose to filter the individual batches that are available in the list. For example, if I'd like to filter according to project, I could go to the top of the project column and filter by any one of these choices. Let's see only our specialty coffee for right now. Now the list will only show me the 10 records that meet those criteria. If you'd like to see all the coffees again, just press Clear Filters. Another nice feature of the Batch Overview table is Inline Editing. For each one of these batches, whenever you see a plus button, you can add more information. So if we go down to our record number 6, we can see that we received this coffee on the 16th of July. If we'd like to add a storage date, we just press the plus button and then select our desired date. Now that record has been updated. Similarly, we could add the stored weight, which already has an estimate generated for us. This 3,030 kilograms should give us about 8.42 60 kg bags of stored parchment. However, when we enter the actual, it might be slightly different. Let's say we got 9 bags in total from this coffee. Now, that record has also been updated, but you'll notice there's a little arrow here that shows us the deviation from what we expected. In this case, it's a positive deviation. We got 6.93% more coffee than was estimated. Conversely, if we get less coffee than we expected, for example here, this 5.98 bags, perhaps we only get 5 bags. You'll see a little red arrow that's telling us that we performed worse than we had expected. Lastly, a useful feature for anyone who needs to export the information contained in this table is the Export to Excel button. To export to Excel, you first need to select the batches which you wish to include in the export. You can do so by clicking them individually or selecting all of them by clicking this checkbox at the top of the column. Now we've got 20 batches selected, and we can press the button that says Export to Excel. This will generate a file for us to open in our normal spreadsheet browser. To learn more about the Batch Overview table, please visit help.cropster.com.